Warning: stop wasting your money on expensive airport SIM card counters until you watch this complete Klook ESIM tutorial for beginners. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy, install, and activate your Klook ESIM in just a few minutes. More importantly, I will reveal the one critical mistake that causes many travelers to accidentally interrupt their ESIM setup before their trip even begins. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do before departure, what to do after landing, and how to track your data. Let's get started. The first step is choosing the right Klook ESIM package. Open the Klook app and search for your destination. You will usually see several data options, including daily data plans and fixed data packages for your entire trip. If you mainly use Google Maps, messaging apps, and basic browsing, a smaller package is often enough. If you plan to upload videos, stream content, or make video calls frequently, consider choosing a larger package to avoid running out of data. Before purchasing, there is one thing you absolutely must check. Make sure your phone supports ESIM technology. Most modern iPhones and Android devices support ESIM, but it only takes a few seconds to verify compatibility and avoid a major headache later. To make things easier, I have placed the official Klook ESIM link in the description below. You can use that link to find the exact ESIM package featured in this tutorial and avoid accidentally purchasing the wrong product. Once your purchase is complete, we arrive at the most important part of this tutorial: installing the ESIM directly from the Klook app before you depart for your trip. This is where many beginners make a costly mistake. Please pay close attention. Go to your booking confirmation in the Klook app and simply tap the Add ESIM to Device button. Tap Activate and then Continue. The big mistake: the app will display a loading screen that says Adding ESIM. This may take 3 to 5 minutes, and you must not close this page while it is loading, or your installation may fail. For iOS users, note that you will need to follow standard on-screen prompts to activate your ESIM and choose how you want to use it while traveling. This simple step makes it much easier to identify your travel ESIM later. Once the process finishes, you will see a screen confirming your ESIM is ready for use. You do not need to worry about wasting your data while you are still at home. The validity period will start only after you connect to the local network at your destination. Now fast forward to travel day. Your plane lands. Everyone around you starts searching for airport Wi-Fi or lining up at SIM card counters. Meanwhile, you can get connected in less than a minute. Open your phone's cellular settings for Apple or SIM Manager for Android. Turn on your new Klook ESIM and select the Klook ESIM for your mobile data. There's one final setting that many people forget. You must enable data roaming for the Klook ESIM. Without data roaming turned on, your phone may not connect to the local carrier network. Once data roaming is enabled, wait approximately 30 seconds. Your phone should automatically register with a local network and connect to the internet. At this point, you are ready to use maps, ride-hailing apps, messaging services, and everything else you need while traveling. If you are planning an upcoming trip, I highly recommend setting up your ESIM before you leave home. The official Klook ESIM link is available in the description below. Getting everything prepared in advance can save you a lot of stress when you arrive in a new country. But what if your ESIM does not work immediately? Do not panic. Most connection problems can be fixed in less than a minute. First, verify that data roaming is enabled for the travel ESIM. If it is already enabled and you still see no service, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. This forces your phone to search for available networks again. If the issue continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot often resolves temporary network registration problems. If you still cannot connect, go to Network Selection. Disable Automatic Network Selection and manually choose a supported local carrier listed in your Klook instructions. These simple troubleshooting steps solve the vast majority of travel ESIM connection issues, and that's it. You now know exactly how to buy, install, activate, and troubleshoot a Klook ESIM before your next trip. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more travel technology guides. And don't forget to check the description below to access the official Klook ESIM link and get everything. Set up before your next adventure. Have a fantastic trip and safe travels.